Why is it? He's taking Gizmo into the water. Let's hope he can swim. This is his first time, and he doesn't seem very happy. There he goes.
Come on, baby.
He does not like that water.
One more time, one more time. Come on, baby, come on, Nikos, come on,
I was trying to be a protective mother, but clearly I didn't win. He's getting me all wet. I don't think he likes the water.
Nikos.
He don't know what to do.
Come on, baby, Nikos. Come. We'll go back in one more time.
This is the beach. It's called the dog beach. Ooh, that one look like he's taking a shit.
I guess he goes back to mommy.
You okay? Did you drink water?
I think he goes to the water by that one. No mistake.
You throw up, you clean it. So if you throw up, you clean it. It's a pretty cool park though. I like all the trees over there. Oh no. Oh no.
Mommy, what's that?
I had that one recorded. I was like, oh no. Alright. Gizmo's first time at the beach. Peace.